Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I have these letters from Dollar Tree I'm going to be recycling, and as you can see I gave it 2 coats with white chalk paint. I'm going to put that to the side and I'm going to come in with these jingle blocks, and you could use whatever glue you want. I'm using wood glue from Dollar Tree. Once I'm done I should have 4 sets of 3. And now I'm going to be working on this piece. I'm recycling it. I'm going to give it 1 coat with this watered down antique wax. I'm going to wipe it down as you see with this wipey. I waited a few minutes until everything was completely dry. Then it's time to go ahead and assemble everything together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these letters that we painted in white and I'm going to put 1 on each jingle block. Now that this shallow box is completely dry, I'm going to start hot gluing these jingle blocks just as so. And now it's time to add a hook, so like that we could have something to hang it on the wall. I also made a burlap bowl, and with some hot glue I'm just going to go ahead and glue it right here. I'm also going to be adding more embellishment. I have these wooden floral pots from Dollar Tree, leftover floral. I'm going to also add some Spanish moss, and then I'm going to glue 1 on each side of the picture frame. I thought that the bowl was looking kind of sad and plain, so I'm coming in with the same antique wax and I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat, wipe it down, and then with some more hot glue I'm just going to glue it right in the middle of the bowl. And this is it for this project. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Today's video is part of an open collaboration summer look off the hook, and it is being hosted by CJ's DIY, Christine DIY Crostaholic, and Jackie Crafting in Mimi's World. Please make sure to visit these talented creators. I will have the links to their channel down in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Today I have this plaque that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be watering this antique wax and I am going to be giving it 1 coat to the entire piece. I'm wiping it down as much as possible. Once it's already dry, I have these little sort of like knobs from woodpeckers, and I'm going to be placing 3 right here in the lower part of this plaque. With the same antique wax, I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat to these beautiful keys. I thought that I was going to be using minimum of 3 of these keys, but I wind up using 2. And once they are dry, all I did was with some hot glue, put 1 on each corner, just like you see here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this little hook, and with some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on the back of the plaque. Like that, we can hang it on the wall. With the same antique wax, I'm just gonna go ahead and retouch the border. And look at how beautiful. I took some white chalk paint and I did a heavy distress. And now with these letters, I'm gonna cut out the word key. I noticed that these transferable letters are not the same size, but I thought it would give it a unique touch. And like I said before, these are rub-ons. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it right here. And that is it for this beautiful little plaque. And I will be putting this in my wall for my keys. What do you think about this beautiful and simple DIY? I have these two wood boxes from Dollar Tree. I purchased this, I think it was like 2 years ago. I'm gonna come in with the same antique wax that I watered down in the beginning of the video. I'm going to cover the entire box. I'm gonna do the same thing to both of them. Then I'm coming in with a wipey and I'll wipe down both of them. And I have a whole bunch of these that I bought at Woodpeckers. I'm going to be using 2 for today and I'm going to glue them just as so. Once that is done, I'm coming in with some of these little knobs that I also purchased at Woodpeckers, and of course I'll be adding them as legs. And with this white chalk paint, I'm going to be heavily distressing both of the boxes. And now the fun part, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating it. Now I took some of this plastic bag from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm adding some Spanish moss to both of the boxes, and then I'm going to be decorating it with some succulent. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. When you give me that big thumbs up, it helps my channel. And don't forget that the subscription is completely free. Don't forget to let me know which is your favorite so far. For our last DIY, I'm going to be creating a tassel. I purchased these little wood rounds at Woodpecker, so I'm going to go ahead and take one and I'm going to be creating a garland. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my battery operated drill and I'm going to be making a hole right up here. And this garland from Dollar Tree, I just took some beads out so I could have enough space to tie this little plaque right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stain it with the same antique wax. I should have done this before I tied it to the wooden beads, but I guess this will work. And then I'm coming back with this little wipey, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the front and the back. And I found this little wood cutout. It's like a little flower. I'm giving it one coat with this white chalk paint. Once it's completely dry, I'll just go ahead with some hot glue, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here on top of the plaque. This is going to turn out so beautiful. I have this little tiny diamond, and I'm gonna cover this little hole right here with the diamond. And now it's time to make the tassel. I took some of this baker's twine, and what I did is I wrapped it around my finger about 15 to 20 times. And this other end of the wooden beads, what I did is I opened them up. And with this, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around right here at like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make a double knot. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it out and make a cut right here. And then I'm gonna cut another piece. No, actually, now I'm gonna go ahead and comb it. Once it's nice and combed, I'm gonna go ahead and tie the head of the tassel, and we should be done with this beautiful DIY. I also want to thank you for stopping by. If you are coming over from one of the other platforms, thank you for stopping by. And if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget that notification button like that. Every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And remember, the subscription is completely free. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up when you do so. It helps my channel. And don't forget to visit this playlist. Visit all of these talented creators. They have a lot of inspiration for you. Don't forget to give them a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to their channel, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video.